Anthony Ford with Kong Armor, the world's toughest deck armor. We're here in Union, Kentucky. I'm going to show you guys this little backyard deck that just a day or so ago had peeling Behr deck over, severely weathered wood, and the owners were thinking about tearing it down and replacing it until they found my business online. Let's look at it. Pine deck. 90% of the decks in the tri-state are pine. Look how, my goodness, look how gorgeous, right? Wow. Listen, Kong Armor, the world's toughest deck armor. You're talking about a film that's 30 to 60 times thicker than thin residential deck paints and stains, has a special application process where it's driven manually in the cracks, nail and screw holes, and all that's completed first, and then subsequent layers are built out until we bring the decks back to just a synthetic, really synthetic, beautiful, almost composite-like appearance if possible, right? And man, this one just blows me away. This is Northeast Red. We had peeling Behr deck over here initially when we showed up here. Now, the reason why likely these deck owners reached out to Kong Armor is Kong Armor's ability to lock down and encapsulate peeling deck paints. No sanding, no chemical peels, none of that stuff. It can do it without the need for that stuff that thin residential deck paints and stains needs, with way better results. We're talking about a lifetime encapsulation. So people that have these thick coatings peeling on their deck, like peeling Behr deck over, Restore, Rust-Oleum Restore 10X, these type of things, Cabot Deck Correct. There's something called like 4X deck, 10X deck, 20X deck, these coatings that are meant to rescue decks that homeowners buy and apply to their decks. A lot of them will reach out to Kong Armor when they get in trouble and they find out, uh-oh, this ain't going to work, right? Because here's the thing. They get in this spot where all the options that they have just don't seem, number one, like they're going to be a quality option. So they get this kind of feeling like, oh, if I hire a local painter or somebody, this is just going to be a Band-Aid, right? At very most, it's going to be a Band-Aid, okay? Secondly to that, if they go to address it, like we were talking about with the sanding and all that option, let's say they hired somebody, they tried to find somebody to sand their deck and remove the peeling Behr deck over or whatever that way. It's a massive undertaking, and the quotes and the stuff for that runs right up to the cost of pulling these boards up, bringing in new, right, and recoding them. So either which way they go, they get kind of in this pickle where there's just not an easy solution for them that drives quality and is affordable. Kong is the middle ground. Kong, its whole purpose is to answer that problem right there. That's its whole purpose. That's its whole meaning. An elastomer emulsion, a thick build elastomer emulsion. Specifications, the lockdown encapsulation of peeling paints, the simultaneous rebuilding of old weathered wood, right? And it's got some huge benefits to it. Look at this, just gorgeous, right? So we're talking about splinter lock technology, right? It locks down splinters, frayed wood, sharp edges on stuff, right? Like here on this was all frayed up. You can see the outline of the wood, but it was all frayed up, right? And it had very sharp stuff. If you were running your hands down this before, just a couple of days ago, like this, woo, buddy, you'd get ate up, right? But we can do that now because of this thick build film, because of the thick industrial grade elastomer that you see there, right? Encapsulation armor. They love it. They love that splinter lock technology, especially grandmas and grandpas, especially grandpas. They love it for their grandbabies. They know what it's like to get a splinter off an old weathered deck, right? And so I get a lot of calls from grandpas. Like, hey, tell me about that splinter lock that you have, right? because they've been around long enough. They know, right? But when we talk about what kind of protection does Kong offer, right? When we talk about that, first in class water lock technology, what we call true water lock, because your guys' decks here in the tri-state, your health, the health of them revolves around getting all the water entry points filled in on your deck system. Now, fasteners corrode. Water accesses the fasteners via what we call entry holes, nail and screw holes, and it also accesses them via cracks in the boards. That water access, it causes these fasteners to rust. That reaction, that rust reaction, it causes board rot. If you go outside and look at your deck right now, if you're watching from Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, Southeast Indiana, go look. If you have a rotten board, it's very, very likely that rot, 95% chance, is isolated around fasteners. Okay, right there where the fasteners in the wood, the screw, the nail. Okay, Kong closes all that over. So look, can't get to it. Can't get to it. The water can't get to it. The water can't get in the cracks. All the cracks, everything's filled in. Okay, true water lock technology, right? We're talking about actually protecting decks. And when we lock out water from decks, what happens? What's the thing that happens? We extend their life indefinitely, really. As long as we can keep them waterlocked, check on them once a year, right? Make a few adjustments indefinitely. Okay. Now, at this deck, what all did we do here? There's so much that decks need when they're being restored and resurfaced that really don't have anything to do with the coating. And this deck here, what did it need? Well, as I've shown you throughout the pictures, a couple little pictures here throughout this video, hopefully, it needed a stiff washing. We did that, right? So washing, we wash 150 decks plus here a year, bare minimum at Kong Armor. That's bare minimum. It's usually way more than that. So we did a good washing, a professional deck washing, okay? With the focus of removing the peeling bare deck over, getting as much loose deck over off of here as possible. Then we came in, I gave them new cap rails in areas, so this one's new, right? I think the end ones they kept because they weren't horrible. Yeah, so these weren't horrible, so we kept those. That's one thing about what we do. The owner holds on to what's good. We only replace what's bad, right? So they can save money. Because if it's still viable, why replace it, right? So we got them that. We got them new cap rails. We got them the washing. We got them fastener set downs. We removed about 5-6 rotten boards in this deck. So all the rotten boards were taken away, right? Then general deck maintenance. We went around, we checked all the spindles, we checked all that stuff, right? We made sure they were all tight, we made sure they were all strong, okay? Came in with silverback epoxy. It's a compound that we use to fill in large cracks, deck post checking, knots, voids, carpenter bee holes. We injected that into every large opening and every ugly void or hole in this deck so that the finish was more gorgeous when we were done, right? Because we know how to protect decks, but we also know how to make them drop dead gorgeous, right? Experience, right? This is what I'm talking about. Look, you see this post? That had a big, large crack in it just the other day. Big, large crack, right? Big, large crack. Loose boards through here and stuff. The boards were flipping up loose. All that's been tightened, restored, right? So not only get the washing, they got the restoration. They got the peeling deck paint lockdown encapsulation, right? That's rescue. We rescued their structure, right? And now the best thing of all Calling armor, the lifetime deck armor system, like I told you. Now we have it on the deck. It's here now. So guess what? Now they're protected for life. They have a locally backed lifetime limited warranty and a lifetime service promise. And what that means, it sounds complicated. Like, wow, that's complicated. No. What that means is we're going to stay with these deck owners now for life, here locally in the tri-state. And anything they need as far as deck care, we're going to provide it for them. Help with the coating system, warranty for the coating system, service for the coating system. Anything it needs, support. They got a question, they can call us, right? It makes it to where they never have to completely paint, stain, refinish their deck again. So as a deck owner here in the tri-state, you can go from an ugly, what we call ugly deck leprosy, right? You can go from that on the verge, is what we call it, on the verge of replacement, to a drop dead gorgeous, just unbelievably protected, armor encapsulated deck that's viable for life in 2 visits, right? In 2 visits. Done and over, right? No guys in your yard for a month. No, none of this. No guys showing up and washing and not coming back for 3 or 4 days. And then, none of that. 2 visits, it's over. We got the best deck restoration and resurfacing crews on the planet today. I'm going to direct you to follow us, number 1, right? So if you're on social media, wherever you're at, follow us. Take the time right now to follow us, okay? Like, share this for me if you can, right? But if you're ready for lifetime deck armor, and only if you're truly ready, right? If you're ready to experience something different, you're ready to experience something superior, right? Visit callingarmor.com, set up a free quotation, okay? It's easy. It's right there on the page. There's a button that you click. It takes 30 seconds to fill it out. But again, only if you're really ready, right? Because of course it's more than what you think. It always is, right? See you later.